welcome to Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. And today I am to discuss about one important machine learning algorithm which is called random forest. So we can use this machine learning model for classification. Also, we can use for the regression analysis. Okay, so random forest is an ensemble of trees. It is not just a one trees because ensemble takes multiple individual learning models and combine them to produce an aggregative model, and that is more powerful than any of these individual model alone. Okay, and it is widely used and very good results on many problems. For the classification, we just use random forest classifier, and for the regression, random forest regression. And secondly, if you use one decision tree, this is called to overfitting. Means this can be a low bias and high variance problem. But if you take many decision trees, that will be more stable and better generalization. Okay. So secondly, the why this is effective. So if we have different learning models and each of them might means perform well individually, and they will tend to make the different kind of mistakes on the dataset. An individual might overfit to the different part of the data. By combining different individual models into an ensemble, we can average out their mistakes to reduce the risk. Okay. So here we just using the hyperparameter called n estimator, we just divided this data set in many samples and using the weak replacement, and this is called the sampling we are using basically here, the booster sampling. And after this we just randomize the feature, and then we split it in different efficiently, and then we just predicting the result by combining their prediction. Okay, so this is the example which I have taken from how this exact sample looks like, and this is also the view system. Second decision is predicting that for yes 0.7 and the red is 0.5, and the last decision that is predicting the yes for 0.4 and the red is 0.6. If you combine all of these results, okay, and then the yes is giving the 0.56, and for the no there is a probability 0.4. So yes is high, probably high, and the combined result will predict that there is a suppose the problem is for predicting the A cancer is malignant or benign. So suppose there is for the malignant yes or no. So suppose there is a yes, means this cancer may be the malignant. So there is a correct yes response of the and when you do the regression problem, you just take the continuous values from every resulting model, and then you just take the mean of the value also take the mean. So in order for there is some of the source So there is some of the hyperparameters. This is called the n estimator, max features, max depth, and edge booster. Max feature is basically the number of trees, means how many number of trees to entropy. Okay, so these are the hyperparameters here. And after that, this is the accuracy for training result. For the training, it is giving 100% accuracy, and for the test result, okay, this is giving a 0.9. And this is the prediction value of the x-ray. So in this way, we can use the random forest calculator for the different data sets for predicting the more accurate results. Thank you guys.